Hello everyone, you're welcome back to AACC Fashion. Yeah, today I want to show you how to make those rows, to make fabric rows. I'll teach you a very simple method on how to get a fabric rose. Okay, let's get started. If you're a new subscriber, if you're just coming here for the first time, you're welcome. And for our old subscribers, you're highly welcome back. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you have not. Thank you. Okay, let's get started quickly. Cut out a piece of fabric of 2 inches width and 40 inches length. From one edge, fold into 2 like this. After folding, insert thread into your hand sewing needle and knot it at one end. So you form gathered, then insert into one edge stitch of the fabric. So like here, so. Make it curved. Don't just sew straight like that. Just to give it that curve finishing. So just to put your thread, needle and thread in and out, round that way. So it's quite easy and fun, and it brings a very unique result. Okay, so you keep forming the gathers like this. Just keep inserting your thread, needle and thread, in and out that way to form a gathered stitch. Then you pull the thread, then you pull out the thread. Continue the process until you're done with the length you would want. Okay. So after you have passed it like this, for this particular one, you could decide to form a gather like this, and then when you're done arranging, you can tack it down. But for the sake of this tutorial, I would be holding it in place with my whole gum. So what I'll be forming is something like this. I want to form something like this. Can you see? So beautiful. All you need to do is for the first place, okay, pleat it very well, then make sure this side is inside like this. It doesn't show here. Okay, so form like a petal in the middle this way, then you can make the rest relax on it this way. You can actually adjust anyhow you want it to form whatever you want, whichever shape you like it to form. Okay, see, so I like to hold it in place with my whole gum. Careful to avoid gum stain. Okay, so for this, I want it to lay flat, so that is why I won't make the gathers full. To just be gathered but not too clustered. Yeah, it won't be too clustered because of the kind of pleat, the kind of rows I want to form. Okay, so at this point I would also apply some wool gum at the base here to hold it in place. Okay, so, and you allow it to dry a little. Okay, just keep arranging to form the shape you want it to form, so it keeps coming outside such that you try and maintain even distance between one petal and the other as much as possible, as much as you can. So I'll be applying glue here to hold the next stage in place. When you apply Oko glue, it's good that you make it dry a little so that it can hold it properly. So I keep arranging. You can see that it's forming what we want and it's looking beautiful already. So keep arranging it in place. For this edge, you just sew down. Once you're done, tack it down. Put your thread, a needle and thread here, insert it here, let it come up here, and then put it in. Just make sure your tacking is invisible so that your project can be known. You have the perfect shape how you want it to be. Then the ending, you have to be careful so that the edge is supposed to go inward a little bit to give it a good finishing. Okay, so because I want to achieve a flat rose, that's why I'm trying to press it in this way. This rose is really beautiful. I love it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. See you in my next video.